Tesnubha gitu kiskim. Aino asri cakap jing hebat kesehil. Kecakap ni kebun kerahai. Tang ni congar 6,000 akar. Ngadan per ai mentaru la cim sadam skim mantai sini. Kam chong ke tilusim hata po caka on lumpong deng. Dengan sombong kerpat ichi minister ni hangni na perkhe ban sathan ni ke sarkar ban ai skim. Nekat bagi perok setiblik ni sathan banom syak ban skim. Tesnubha gitu kiskim. Aino asri caka jing hebat kesehil. Kecakap ni kebun kerahai. Tang ni congar 6,000 akar. Ngadan per ai mentaru la cim sadam skim mantai sini. Te ngekerpat ichi minister snubha benar-benar itu perlok sengit lo kecing satngan siti. Banyak itu skim rak lo sewat kesihil. Bang jangan beran 6 hektar ban ai ke tulistin mantai nak banta. Kaya ko part ko buat kesihil. Kini ke artli kecing kuat jangan ban keli jingli ban keranru. Kuat ichi minister ban jawab belanja gini keblai sibul.
Come to hear you. So I'm not saying that we can resolve all the problems standing here today, but as a government, as Chief Minister, as MLA, we have to listen to the people. We have to understand their problem. And if we are not doing that, then we are failing in our duty. So the idea of coming today is to meet you, to discuss. So there are many road projects. I cannot promise that everything will be done. But there are 50% of the works which can be done. Some things which are just simply getting delayed because some official or some MLA or Chief Minister is delaying, which can easily be resolved. So really trying to connect with the people, understanding the problem, and apart from that, the other works that just was mentioned, we will just work out because I think the MLA was telling me that the road is only 3 kilometers only to certain point. From there again another 3 kilometers to the waterfall has to be done. So we'll just work this out. Let's just see the estimates that are coming in, and maybe 1 or 2 videos can be shown to us on how good this location is, and then if the potential is there, then it's great for us to push it. So if the road connectivity is a bottleneck, then we'll figure out how to give. I can give some additional funds from state just for this 3 kilometers additional road that is there. So we can tell them that we'll look into it, because without going into the details, I will not be able to answer. But definitely, I'll examine this, both the road and the.
Ngidap di sungu bakrau yang boleh try kerat nong burung tau ha kane kejan mil ngimpoi perkat ba kane kesengi kalau kapas senutanat perkapakemen hidup kita te ha kane kepor ngasim kane kalat kabu ban ai kuplei pi iwei kam tamyu MLA bai jungi iba Gabriel Walang ibala penlong ya kane wala arenya kane program banwanra ya Chief Minister ha kane shnong jingi kuplei sibun sar Gabriel Walang ngemdon e basiu keliang epi ai kublei ya pi paro ki pai pa nong shnong ki pai pa nong shnong Kipalayawan ng shnong marjan rong ay kublay pi. Dese ke jiwan jung pi kidon ki pajba ki pampaju IFCM markhmat remta piliwi markhmat. Kublay sibon ni pi. Tingai kublay ya ki sodar parmarjan. Ba pile pelanya kapur ki barok department mo bukan jer se ka aslam te siu masung ei mo video le rumenin lawan pe yo kambiang wan bertanya waktu sar na penting kepala mo toh te barong ai kublay pi ngasim galar ka bukan ai kublay pi wei wan singdo mal komplit dan perkenal pi ngrewi ini singdo saudara jo shnong hangne tinga ai kublay kamtam kerpang ya ICM bedan buram jengi kublay sibon sar yapi I would like to extend special thanks to you, sir, for visit our village. We have nothing to offer except our gratitude. Please travel safely. Thank you very much, sir. Name ri anga bodai medela kublai sibun.